Immediately no. Immediately no. Immediately no. I'm telling you right now, I seen what I needed to see.
Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby.
No.
Right now is my time, right now is my time, right now is my time, right now.
Yeah, no shit.
Ah, I'm scared.
Just think what's in here, you don't want to be in here. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Ew. Oh, that's nasty.
Is there some on the lid?
I don't think so.
Oh no.
That's gross.
Michaela, go ahead and do yours. What the fuck is that? Get the fuck out of my room!
Okay, yes, sir.
You to face your fears.